Risks of using gelled diesel fuel.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the risks associated with using diesel fuel that has gelled and not properly warmed up. It's an important topic to understand, especially if you work with or rely on diesel-powered vehicles or equipment. So, let's dive right in.
What causes diesel fuel to gel?
Before we delve into the risks, let's quickly understand what causes diesel fuel to gel. Diesel fuel contains a mix of hydrocarbons, and at low temperatures, some of these hydrocarbons solidify and form waxy crystals. This process is commonly referred to as gelling. Gelling occurs when the temperature drops below the fuel's cloud point, which is the temperature at which the first wax crystals begin to form.
Risk number 1: fuel system clogging.
Using diesel fuel that has gelled can lead to a variety of risks, and the first one we'll discuss is fuel system clogging. When the gelled fuel is introduced into the fuel system, the waxy crystals can clog fuel filters, fuel lines, and even the fuel injectors. This can disrupt the flow of fuel, resulting in poor engine performance, reduced power output, and potentially engine stalling. Engine damage may occur if the fuel flow is severely restricted or completely blocked.
Risk number 2: increased wear and tear.
Another significant risk of using gelled diesel fuel is increased wear and tear on engine components. When the fuel system is clogged, the engine may struggle to receive an adequate fuel supply. As a result, it may have to work harder to compensate for the reduced fuel flow, leading to increased stress on various engine parts. This can accelerate the wear and tear of components such as fuel pumps, injectors, and pistons, potentially leading to costly repairs.
Risk number 3: fuel filter damage.
Gelled diesel fuel can also cause damage to the fuel filter itself. As the waxy crystals flow through the filter, they can accumulate and block the filter media. Over time, this can cause the filter to become ineffective or even completely clogged. A compromised fuel filter can allow contaminants to enter the engine, increasing the risk of engine damage and reduced fuel efficiency.
Risk number 4: fuel tank contamination.
When diesel fuel gels, it becomes thicker and more viscous, making it difficult to flow properly. This can result in fuel tank contamination. As the fuel struggles to move through the tank and fuel lines, it can pick up sediment, moisture, and other impurities that may have settled at the bottom of the tank. Contaminated fuel can cause further damage to the fuel system, reduce engine performance, and increase the risk of component failure.
Risk number 5: cold start issues.
Lastly, using gelled diesel fuel can lead to cold start issues. The waxy crystals in the fuel can solidify and settle in the fuel lines, fuel filters, and other components during prolonged periods of inactivity or exposure to low temperatures. When you attempt to start the engine, the gelled fuel may restrict the flow, making it challenging for the engine to start or causing extended cranking times. This can be particularly problematic in cold climates or during winter months when low temperatures are common. And there you have it. We've explored the risks associated with using diesel fuel that has gelled and not properly warmed up. Remember, using gelled fuel can lead to fuel system clogging, increased wear and tear on engine components, fuel filter damage, fuel tank contamination, and cold start issues. It's crucial